Hey everyone, Andrew here with the AAF Black Hills. The Ad Awards Committee wanted to make a helpful video to walk you through the entry process and make entering your work more approachable. So let's take a look. You'll want to start on the Ad Awards page of our website. From there, you can review the rules and categories for your division and start entering your work at the click of a button. When you're ready to enter your pieces, you'll need to select your division and sign into your account. Or sign up if this is your first year entering with us. Once you're in, you can start your new entry. You'll need to fill out some basic information about yourself, like your organization, name, member status, and some basic contact info. If you're submitting as a team, you can also include a secondary contact in your submission. Next comes filling out the information for your entry. You'll need to select a category and provide the piece's title, medium, and some additional information to help the judges understand your project. After that, it's time to upload the digital files for your work. Preferred file types include video, PDFs, images, and even hyperlinks if you're submitting an active website. Once your files are uploaded, make sure to give yourself and your team proper credit so you can be recognized for your amazing work. Lastly, verify all information and media provided is accurate and yours to submit, and you're good to go. The next step will be paying for your entries and awaiting the results. If you have any questions about the submission process, please contact the Ad Awards Committee through our email address, info@aafblackhills.org. I look forward to seeing you all at the show. Good luck.